Hello. I'm glad you're interested in my asset, WebSocket Debugger. I would like to thank you for your interest. I understand that you're not here just to hear compliments, right? I'm sure you've had experiences building a project and noticing that the system didn't work as expected in the editor. That's precisely why I created this tool, to make it easier to troubleshoot such issues by remotely transmitting errors from the client to the server. VR headset users, in particular, will appreciate the ability to send logs to their computers. But enough talking, let's get to the specifics. This video will show you how to prepare an executable file for the server and configure a client project that will send logs to the server. To start, add two scenes to your build settings, login and server. You can find these scenes in the subfolders, Web Debug, Demo, Server Logic, Scenes. Select your target platform as desktop. If you wish, you can also give your project the name Web Debug Server. Now, all that's left is to generate the executable file. This executable will be useful in any subsequent project because Unity doesn't allow sharing ready-made builds, so you have to generate it manually. Great, that's one less thing to worry about. I'd like to add that you can modify the login and server scenes as you wish. Just make sure that the Web Debug Server prefab is on the server, and the Web Debug Client prefab is on the client. Now, remove the previously added login and server scenes. You won't need the server logic folder anymore. Let's now focus on building the client. Of course, you don't have to do this, but I want to show you how this solution works with a ready-made build. It gives more sense to the application, especially when there's no built-in console, as in the editor. Now, add the client scene and change the project's name. Then, create another build. Once you have two ready builds, start the server first. This is a crucial step because the server needs to be up and running before the client connects, otherwise, it won't work. Next, launch the client. You can now use the buttons to send debugging logs, which will be captured and sent to the connected server. In the server application, you can monitor information about the client connection. It's also worth noting that one server application can handle multiple clients. Just run the client application again. You have the ability to browse different types of logs and view detailed information about each of them. If you wish, you can save the logs to a file or clear them. Importantly, if a client disconnects, such as due to an application crash, it won't result in the removal of logs on the server. I hope this video has effectively explained the process of setting up the server and introduced you to the features of this asset. I also hope it proves useful to you. If you have any questions or encounter issues, please refer to the included documentation or feel free to contact me. Thanks for your attention, and best of luck.